Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me share with you how I made this yummy, delicious Nigerian Akara recipe. Okay, you can call it beans ball. Okay, so already I've washed the beans 2 days ago and I preserved it in the freezer. Okay, because life of a mom, if I want to make it that day, I'll be preparing the beans. I won't have that time, so I have to prepare it 2 days before and then freeze it. Then this morning I had to defrost it. Okay. Then because I'm using small blender, I have to blend this so many times. I blended it for 3 times. Okay, I added onion and then blend. This is the first time of blending it. Okay, I also added water to it. Okay, so it can be easier to blend. It's beans, you don't have to put a lot of water like when you are making more. Okay, this is Akara. You don't have to be too watery or too thick. So I just added a little water like I showed you guys before. Okay, so as you can see, I have to shake the batter to make sure it's well combined and it's blended well. So I turn it in the bowl and I added the second batch. After adding it, I also added the onion and then pepper. This pepper is so hot. Okay, this pepper is 5 or 6 of scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, if you can let them, but because my kids will be eating it with me, I had to cut the pepper. Okay, I used just half of it and the pepper still came out. Okay, so remember I added another little water just to blend it. Okay, so this is the second batch. Shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm glad to have you. To my returning subscribers, my OGs, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the share and like. I so much appreciate you guys. If this is the first time of coming across my channel or watching my video, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please subscribe, it's free, it doesn't cost anything, and turn on the notification bell to know when I post a new video. Like, comment and share to your family and friends. And so guys, this is the last batch I blended, so I have to move every remaining butter in the blender. Okay, none shall waste, remember. So after then I begin to mix. You don't need to add anything, okay, much. The mama doesn't need anything, though there are some that add bell pepper, but I don't like adding bell pepper to mine. Okay, this is the natural and I like the natural taste. Okay, the onion and salt is okay for Akara. Okay, so I have to be adding the salt little by little. As I turn, I will go ahead to taste so that the salt won't be too much. Okay, so after turning it, I had to taste it to know if the salt is okay, but it needed a little more salt, which I added to it. I added and then stir well to combine till I get my satisfaction. Okay, I had to taste for the second time, and yes, it's all well combined. Okay, guys, have you liked the video? Have you liked it? Please like. Okay, click the like button, it doesn't cost anything. Like and drop your beautiful comment. You can also share it to a friend that needs it. Okay, so now I'm testing that it's all okay. So in a frying pan, I had to add vegetable oil. Guys, you can also join my membership. Okay, with just a little token. It doesn't cost much. So join the membership. Okay, thank you so much. So at this point, I'm testing if the vegetable has heated up. Okay, which it has. So I'm now molding in the beans batter into the oil, just like this. Guys, this is a simple way to make your Akara. Okay, it tasted so great, so delicious. I had to give to my friends, okay, my neighbors that are here, because they always complain I don't give them my recipe to try. So I have to give them the Akara, and they really loved it, seriously. So this is a simple way to make your Akara. It doesn't need much recipe, and it doesn't take time. The only time it takes is just the washing of the beans. Okay, had it been I even have a big blender, I would have blended it once, but because the one I had before has spoiled, I've not been able to buy a new one, so I'm using the smaller blender. Okay, so I'm flipping over the other side so that they'll have a uniform color. I love my akara to be well brown. How about you? Do you like your akara to be well brown? Do you like it deep brown, or you like it light brown? However you love it, or however you like it, is your choice. Okay, so I have to be flipping it over and over again just to make sure that the both side is well blind before I now take it off. Okay, so this is the first batch. After scooping it out, I have to add in another one. Are you perceiving the aroma of the akara from your house? Seriously, this akara taste is so great. You can see how yummy and crispy it's looking. So after scooping it out, I have to add another batter. I will continue this process till I finish all the batter. I have to fry it on 3 batches. Okay, so the last one I had to add pepper to it. Okay, these ones I've been making, I didn't add pepper to it. So the last one, the last batch I made, I added pepper to it. Okay, so tell me, do you like adding pepper to your akara, or you like it simple, plain, just like this? I had to add it pepper to have that pepper flavor. Okay, my husband loves it. Likewise me. So the kids ate this one with that pepper while we ate the peppered one. Okay, I'm flipping it on both sides just to make sure it has the uniform color and it didn't the brown on one side. So tell me, have you been making akara? If not, will you be trying it out? Do you like the video? If you like the video, tell me in the comment section that you like the video and you'll be trying out the recipe. Okay, I really like the color of this akara. It's well brand. I love it. Okay guys, let me allow you to watch to the end. The video is almost ended. And if you've watched to this moment, I want to say a very big thank you for watching till this moment. Okay, thank you and God bless you. So that's the one I added the pepper. How do you see it? Do you like it, or do you prefer the plain one? Tell me in the comment section which one you prefer. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao ciao ciao.